Hello, this is Amanda Rowan, and today we are going to be talking about Socrative. This is going to be a very quick run through of the technology. I have already done some quizzes on here, so we're just going to look through what I've already done. You're seeing me log in so that you know how to do it yourself. Now, to go through a few of the tabs here, we have the quizzes. This is going to list all of the quizzes that you have created, and you can copy those, download those, or share them. This is a very useful function, especially the downloadable. Here are your rooms. I don't have any rooms because I don't have specific classes, but this is where you would create rooms for any classes you have. If you have 3 different classes you teach, you'd probably have 3 different rooms. Here are the reports. This is where we get all of the responses from the students, and you can open any of those. They're all named. And let's see the results. Doesn't seem to be working right now, which is totally okay. We'll just go back to quizzes, since the important part is going to be how to add quizzes. Now, you'll definitely want to learn how to add rooms if you'd like to use this throughout your teaching. However, I only use it for occasional quizzes, so I'm just going to create a new quiz right here. Title it however you'd like. I like to come up with crazy titles. You can see under questions that we have multiple choice, we have true or false, and we have short answer. So unfortunately, we don't have a whole lot of options. If you are part of the technology class, then you know that on Blackboard there are quite an array of options for questions. Socrative is not quite that detailed, which is totally fine because for this technology, it's really more about ease of access. So let's create a multiple choice. Of course, you'd want to ask questions about English, not Spanish. Just so you know, the answer is all of the above. Not that you need to know that. Oops. Do not do that. Now, what you have to do is hit the save button. If you saw me check that green little, it made it green, the little checkbox here, that means that that is the correct answer. So if you accidentally click this one, then all the students are going to get the wrong answer. So, click which one is the right answer, hit save, and then go on to a different question. And once again, you should probably be asking questions about English if you're an ESL teacher. And we are going to save that. One more to go. Let's do a short answer. Alright, so let's see what this quiz looks like. We are going to save and exit. Quiz saved. So it should be here in my quizzes. See, we have the crazy ESL quiz, even though it has nothing to do with ESL. And we have all of these. As you can see, when you go back into your quiz, you can edit them, you can trash them, you can copy them, you can do anything you want to your quiz. We are going to go back to the homepage on Socrative so I can show you one more thing about this technology. I'm about to wrap this up since you have seen how to create a quiz, which is really the main thing about this website. What we're going to do is look at the student login. So here you go. This is room name. So student login, students cannot log in with their own password and username. The reason for this is because you have complete control of who enters your rooms. So what this means is that these rooms that I don't really pay attention to because I only use this technology very rarely, it definitely is useful because you have to provide a room name for students to log in. So, oh, it kicked me out. But if you want to use this with your students, you're going to have to find that room name that the quiz is associated to so that students can join and take the quiz. I'm going to wrap up for now. So thank you for listening and have a good day.